This one's gonna be on PPStream. I talked about this last time, but I don't think that method works anymore because I hear they're blocking up all the third-party apps. Anyways, this one is actually their official native Linux app, so it should work. If you don't know what PPStream is, it's basically a way to watch free streaming movies, so you're not downloading anything. The quality is really good, audio is really good, connection is real good if you have a good connection, of course. But I did watch a movie, no lag at all. It was great. Okay, and this one is mainly towards Chinese folks. Okay, they do have Chinese movies, Korean movies, Taiwanese ones, and what is it? Japanese, and even the U.S. movies. So I'm going to talk about the U.S. movies. But to download this, you go to, let me see here, the main page, ppstream.com. Click on this sucker here. I'll show you how to navigate through this because you know it's in Chinese. Anyways, we're using Ubuntu, so you want to download this one. It says 8.04 or higher, so anything that or above, then it will work. Okay, so you're on 10.10, good also. This one is in a 32-bit dev file. There is no 64-bit. If you're using a 64-bit, I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet, but I believe you download the lib32 and it should work. But like I said, I'm not sure. Anyways, let me show you the client. Alright, so this is the client, and it's all in Chinese, so there is no English translation. So if you can actually read Chinese, then it's actually really good for you because you can read some of these titles. But let me show you how this works though. So these are all the movies on the side here. Let me just double click on one, show you how it works here. So it's actually buffering this, and I'll start playing the movie in a minute. If this is a movie. Is this a movie? There you go, that's the movie. You can actually seek through this if you want. Let me see you seek through this. What is this? It looks like an Indian movie. Is that Gandhi? Alright, whatever. Anyways, the thing I did have a problem with by default when I installed it was the sound. So to get that working, what I did was click on this third one here and go to the last one, and go to this last one here, and you want to change it from OSS to ALSA because I believe that's what Ubuntu uses, and save, and then exit, and you want to restart this program, and you should have sound now. Okay, since we can't read any of this in in English or anything like that, or if you don't read Chinese, then this is pretty much worthless to you. So I'll show you how I do it to watch the movies that I want. Okay, we'll go back to this page here. So you're gonna go back to the main page. This third one here, it'll say like con.ppstv or whatever. Open that tab, and you see this list here. If you're using Chromium, you can actually hit on translate, and it's much better for you. Otherwise, you can use the the covers, and I'll tell you what the hell that is. You can't actually copy the PPStream link and then paste it in. They don't allow you to paste in the link. They don't really have that option anyways. Okay, so I'll show you what I do for right now. Is that let me see here. Well, I show you they have like English movies, Korean movies, Mainland China, and all that. But anyways, we'll filter this out by just the US here. And this is all the US movies. Okay, you can actually browse more if you want. There's a long list here, but let me pick one. Alright, so we're gonna use Tears of the Sun. It's a really good movie if you haven't watched it, but you want to use this one. Alright, what you want to do is copy the original name, not the translated name. So we'll go back to the original names, and we'll copy the Chinese movies. I mean the Chinese title. Copy like the first few words of it, and what you want to do is paste this sucker into this search box here. Okay, because basically all the movies that you see on that page it's on this list. It's just that we can't read it, that's all. What the hell? Get out of the way. Alright, so now what you want to do is, it's basically the first one, but you can see that you want to match up the words to that title. So this is basically that thing here. Alright, so you double click on that sucker, and now we're watching Tears of the Sun. Okay, let me forward it just to confirm it. And there you go, we're watching Tears of the Sun. This thing on the side here, I think it's just information about it, and sometimes they give you like advertisement on the top here, but here on the side, you know, it's only good if you actually read Chinese, but we don't. But they give you information if you need it. Anyways, you can actually double click on this and watch it full screen. Audio is great. It's actually in English. If you if you don't speak English, you can actually read what is it, Chinese here, right? Subtitles. So that's it. I believe they're using MPlayer to play this, and as for the client itself, it's just to stream it. The client is just to stream it, and to view it, it's just using MPlayer. Okay, so looks good, sounds good, pretty clear too. So if you want to watch free movies, this is it. Free Netflix here. That's what I say. Okay. Anyways, that's it for this one.